Smallest number in an infinite set. We are given a set which contains all positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4 until infinity, and what we are given is what we are supposed to implement is three methods. Smallest infinite set, we should initialize the smallest infinite set, where we are also given pop smallest and we have to implement this as well, and we are also given add back method, we have to implement this as well. So what we will do is we will divide this implementation into two parts. We will create a set so that we don't duplicate the numbers and store each number only once, and we will also keep the count of numbers that are popped and added back in a heap. So we will use heap and also the set. Next I will show you by writing code how we can implement these three methods. So first of all, what we will do is we will store the smallest current number in a variable. So that would be self dot current smallest, and since we are storing the integers, smallest integer is 1. We are storing positive integers. It's written here which contains all positive integers. So we will store 1 in current smallest variable, and also we will as I said, we will also use heap to store all the numbers that were added back. So self dot added back is equal to heap, and this will be a heap. So what we have right now is we have the smallest number, and in this heap we will only save the numbers that are smaller than the current smallest. So if we pop some element, for instance if we pop 1, that current smallest will be 2, because we will move it to the 2, since 1 is not in a set anymore. And if we add 1 back, we will add it to the heap as well, and if we have to pop again, we will pop from the set, but also return the smallest element from the heap itself. And also we will have a set in heap set. So now what we will do is we will implement the pop smallest method. Now what we have to do is we have to check if the added back is empty or not. If it's empty, that means we have to pop the smallest element from the set itself, and the smallest element in the set is this current smallest. But if there is an element in added back heap, that means we had popped something and then added back, so we will just return the smallest element from this heap. This is min heap, so it will be the first element. Let's check it. If self dot added back, if it's not empty, what we will do is we will pop the smallest element from this heap. Heap q dot heap pop self dot added back. I think we might have to import heap q as well. Import heap q. So we are popping the smallest element from this heap and storing it in smallest. Now what we have to do is we have to remove it from the set itself as well. So we will do self dot in heap dot remove the smallest element, and also we can just return it. But in case if it's not in added back, if the heap is empty, then we have to remove from the set itself, and the smallest element should be current smallest. So what we can do is we can simply write smallest is equal to self dot current smallest, and we can remove it from the we won't have to remove it from the set itself because initially the set is empty. So what we can do is we can just store this self dot current smallest in smallest, and since we are going to return the smallest element, the current smallest will be plus equal to 1, because we are removing the current smallest, so the next smallest is plus equal to 1, and we will just return the smallest number that we had stored in the smallest variable. Now to add back, what we will do is we only want to add back if the number we are trying to add, num in this case, is less than the current smallest. If it's greater than current smallest, then it will already be in the in heap set, and also we'll check if it's not in heap set. So if num is less than self dot current smallest and num not in self dot in heap, what we will do is we will push it to the heap q dot heap push, and we'll push it to the heap, and then also add it to the set itself in heap dot add num, and it should be self dot added back. Let's try it out. Smallest infinite object has no attribute current smallest, so I think it's a spelling mistake. Let's try again. Okay, it's heap q, it should be heap q, not heap 1. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel.